After spending the last year building the gaming house, it's finally the moment we've all been waiting for. From seeing internet installed last week to finally finishing out our racing sim and PC setups, it's finally time to get our first gaming sessions here at the gaming house. Now, to ensure our gaming sessions are top tier, we did not sacrifice on our internet speeds, because after spending the last 8 weeks trenching our fiber lines and blowing out our 5-year-old conduit lines, we finally spliced our fiber to get our internet connected. And thanks to Shark for partnering with us to finally help clean up the gaming house. Now, realistically, we could have went with like 1 gigabit per second speeds, maybe even 2.5. But if you know anything about this channel, is we overcompensate for everything. So Joel, go ahead and step in. I know it's a little cramped. Whoa. Welcome in, Joel. So our fiber lines, we are ending up going with a 5 gigabit per second speed, all pushed through this little tiny router from Agilent. Now, if only this would help my Valorant bronze lobbies. As exciting as those internet speeds are, they are completely worthless if we don't have any completed setups. So after a year, let's go ahead and finish our racing sim setups. In our previous gaming house video, we completed our first racing sim setup with a nice LG 45-inch ultra-wide monitor, next level racing frame, and the Moza racing bundle. The only issue is we never completed a PC, so it's literally just been sitting here collecting dust. The even sadder part is we have had our PC parts here waiting to be put together, so it's time to get this thing going. Now, running a 4080 Super graphics card with a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor and 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM may be a slight overkill for our typical racing sims, but for Action Girl Racing, we might be able to put that thing on max settings. But to finish out our racing sim area, we still need to put together our second racing sim setup, which we did go with another next level racing rig, which, if it's just between us girls, is the reason why I haven't put together and it's taken so long, because as these are probably the best frame you can buy, they are a piece of work to put together. But boys, it's time to lock in. That was a little heavier than I thought. There's so much stuff. So if you just want to start this real quick, I'll be right back up. All right, be right back. We're done, right?
Yeah, no, I think we're good. I actually had a few leftover screws. So.
Leftover screws?
Yeah.
I think we may have skipped a step.
No, I think we're good. I hand tightened all this, so hopefully it's good.
I feel like we're missing something.
No, I don't know what the...
Cool. All right, we're done.
Okay.
There we go. You ready? Now that we got the second racing simulator done, it looks like it's fully complete. Actually, do you mind tilting down a little bit, Quinn? That's a little too high for me.
My nose is just...
Yeah, I could just say, you know, we got the first racing sim complete. Now that Moza sent us out the second bundle, we got the monitor. All we're missing is a few screws that we're gonna be searching for over these next couple days. But we should be getting our second PC. Is everything all right? Okay, perfect. All we need is a second PC here for the second racing sim setup, and then we'll be able to be ready to rock and roll, baby. How you doing?
You done?
We're gonna head to the next part, so you go ahead and just hold that so that Joel can get some B-roll.
I'm kind of trapped back here.
We've unboxed so much tech here in the gaming house, and it's starting to get a little bit messy. So I have had no other choice but to watch Quinn clean all of this up by himself. Now, it breaks my heart having to watch Quinn clean up this entire mess by himself. But
Let's get some water for this thing.
Quinn, please get back to work. But that's where my new Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro comes in to clean way more efficiently than Quinn could ever.
Just like walk.
Quinn, I'm not gonna tell you, get back to work. Now, while Quinn focuses on much of our larger objects, the Sharkinator here is gonna focus on a lot of the smaller ones. Which means I can expect a month of hands-free cleaning with its 60-day bin that it will be emptying into. It's actually picking this place up. It also automatically refills itself every time it goes back. It's like watching my mom try to parallel park. And not only that, but it will dry and clean the mop on the bottom end. I mean, this thing alone might put Quinn out of a job.
Hey, I can see the floor. It's really clean up here.
Oh, who invited Mom
What's
to
happened?
this? She's just throwing shade. You know, as much as I wish it was Quinn over here helping to clean it up, it's actually the good old Sharkinator that's been cleaning up the gaming house for us.
Wow.
I think I helped a little bit.
No. All right, Mom, come here. So there's 3 things I have to point out to you on the Sharkinator. First is the NeverTouch base. So this thing will actually clean your house and return to home base without you even having to touch it. The second one, the Never Stuck technology. I like to call it a little off-roading technology. Oh. Dude, it lifted its butt on that thing. The third one is the intelligence of the Sharkinator because it will actually map out your home and actively avoid stairs when it approaches them. And not go tumbling down it like I did when I was a kid.
That's right,
Bad
okay.
parenting, honestly. And here's the best part. Shark actually ended up sending us a second one for your house as an early Christmas present.
Oh my God.
That way you can come help clean the gaming house.
That's awesome.
Because Lord knows I don't
I
want to do it.
can't. Now wait a minute. Does this mean Madre's not going to get her last minute gift from you from Walgreens?
Listen, I always get her good Christmas presents. I don't know what she's talking about. But Shark, thank you. You may have saved the day on this year.
Him and his brother. Yeah, we know where we get
Mom,
Christmas gifts from.
Let's get this thing to your car. Thank you.
Okay, you have to put that in there.
Joel,
Okay.
make sure you get that out of there. Speaking of finishing, one of the most exciting things finished here in the gaming house, and that's the golf simulator. Now, we did have some back and forth conversations with the supplier after weeks and weeks of building this thing and telling them how they sent us out the wrong sides. Come to find out, it was just user error, installation error. Essentially, it was Ryan's fault, my brother, but we'll get into that later. We did just see our 200-inch hitting screen just installed, and coincidentally enough, that is the biggest screen here in the gaming house, which I'll need to fix that. We'll get into that later on. But we did also just install our $9,000 launch monitor right here, which was way overpriced, but it still looks really good. We did get our hitting turf in. I mean, this is about the most grass I'm gonna touch all year. But most importantly, we're gonna be working on our gear to fit me out to make sure we have everything right for my beautiful swing. God, looking good, dude. But Samson, don't you need a Wii in order to use a golf simulator? Well, listen. If you haven't seen my Walmart gaming PC build, which make sure to go check that out, we're gonna be using the $800 gaming PC from that build. Now, when I bought this CyberPower PC from Walmart, I had no intentions of using it after that video, but after looking at the spec list, I went a little crazy. It's clocking in with a Ryzen 5 7600 processor, an RX 7600 graphics card, and 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. I mean, when you put all those together, that spec list is perfect for golf simulation. Now, a wise father once told me, when having children, it is very important to choose a favorite. Or something like that. But the more we keep building out this gaming house, it's becoming quite apparent which room is my personal favorite, and that's the secret gaming room. Now, as much as I love having our Xbox setups inferior, it's about time we build this room out with some PCs. Now, originally we were thinking about 2 PC setups here on this wall, but as you can see, the situation here, it's a little crammed. So we will probably end up pulling this TV out, replacing this Xbox, and building 2 PC setups right here. But for now, we're gonna leave it here for approximately the next 30 minutes while I build my PC, but after that, this thing's gone. We're halfway there.
Why didn't you get the big one?
They were all sold out. Oh. Pivot! Pivot! This is gonna be fun. Oh no, we're about to lose that. Oh, I almost fell backwards. I'll just set it down right here. Sometimes people get mad when you use power drills on a PC, but YOLO.
What are these for? You saved all the great skyscrapers that got wobbled.
I don't know if I've heard that part. All right, Joel, how much faith do you have in me in building PCs?
Not a lot.
That would speak volumes. That's the first time that's ever turned on. Let's not pay attention to the cables in the PC though. Okay, let's just. Joel, Quinn, it's the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to get our first gaming sessions in here at the gaming house, boys. It's time to lock in. I know it is 6 p.m. on a weekday and you guys have family to get to, but we're not going home until we get a win in Fortnite.
Seriously? Wait, I'm sorry. What is that gaming chair?
What's wrong with my gaming chair? It helps with good posture.
Okay.
How come you guys are in gaming? I'm still waiting.
Xbox.
Yep.
Don't worry, guys. I'm in game. It is slightly laggy. Wow.
No, you look great. You look like you know exactly what you're doing.
Does it look like I'm ready to win a match?
Yeah, man. Let's go Hopeful Heights, because
Hopeful Heights.
I'm hoping to go home
Hey.
today. Guys, I think there's people here.
Going in. Oh, dude, I wrecked him.
I'm getting triple teamed.
Help! Oh, shoot.
Oh, dude, I was trying to rescue Filipino goat.
So it's all up to me now.
Oh, we're washed.
Do you guys see what I'm having to deal with here?
Minus team chemistry, it's alright.
Yeah.
Who wants to go to Whiffy?
I'm not with you.
Well, I'm so glad we didn't pick like a really far place to drop into.
I'm gonna get my water.
Yes.
Whoa! Acquire Typhoon Blade?
What?
Yeah! Guys, I have the Typhoon Blade.
I want a Typhoon Blade.
Oh! Yo, this thing crazy!
I don't know about you boys, but I'm feeling pretty cracked on this one. I'm feeling like we're gonna be able to get to go home today.
I think he said, I feel like I'm playing like crap today.
No, I said I feel like I'm on crack today.
Oh.
Definitely.
Yeah. Oh, built different, boys. Up on my back, hop on my
There's
back.
like 25 teams here. I'm not gonna
We're better. We're cracked. Oh, getting shot. Oh, this man's built different. Honestly, he's built different. Oh, I knocked him down though. I'm built even differenter. Oh!
There's a dude in front of us at the loot. Two people. Oh! He has a blade. Leave me, fellas.
Downed him. No one gets my Joel without a little taste.
I would prefer different phrasing.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Blade is crazy.
You got this.
Win these. Coming, boys.
Don't come back for me, just leave.
No,
Take my med kits and all of my stuff.
I will happily. Oh, you had a legendary. We got a far ways to go, boys.
If only you had some form of movement in your inventory.
Whoops.
Something to propel you far distances.
Oh, if only.
You know what?
I'm
I have
on.
a good feeling about this one.
We win these, honestly. I've never lost these. I don't have a good feeling about this.
I do. Behind you!
Got him?
Guy across the way. I'm hitting every shot.
Oh, I got him. Eliminated. All right, boys. Last 9.
People are fighting very intensely over
Are they? Oh, yeah.
here. Man, I can't miss today. I hit this guy, he's really low.
My time to shine, chat.
Yo, that was sick though.
Thank you.
Is this the last guy?
I think so.
I think so.
I want him. Oh, I almost killed him. He's injured. I almost killed him. Oh, give me some more. We can go home. We can go. All right, boys. Only a couple games and we got our first victory royale. I mean, honestly, how did it feel to get carried by a PC player?
I don't think I did.
No?
I don't think you had any kills.
Now, just because we got our first gaming session into the gaming house means we're done with this series. You see, we have multiple brands shipping us out multiple PC setups, plus we still need that Halo LAN party that we keep talking about, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.